Yo, what's up guys? Today, we're taking a look at something a little more audiophile grade, the Westone W60 driver earphones. These are premium in-ear monitors designed for serious listeners, and spoiler alert, they sound as good as they look. Let's get into it. Right out of the box, the W60 comes with that clean, pro audio aesthetic. You've got a low profile, lightweight design, and they feel super comfortable for long listening sessions. You get a bunch of ear tips in different sizes and materials, foam and silicone included, so it's easy to find the perfect fit. And the build? Durable. High-quality materials, reinforced detachable cables with MMCX connectors, and even interchangeable faceplates, so you can add a little personal flavor. Now let's talk audio, because that's where these shine. The W60 is rocking 6 balanced armature drivers and a 3-way passive crossover. That's not marketing fluff. It actually makes a difference. You're getting dual bass drivers for punchy lows that thump without being muddy, dedicated mids that bring out the warmth in vocals and instruments, and the highs? Super crisp and detailed without that ear-piercing sharpness. These are tuned right. The result? A wide, immersive soundstage. Perfect for jazz, classical, acoustic, or even critical mixing and mastering if that's your lane. Included in the box is Westone's Bluetooth cable with aptX support. That means you're still getting full resolution audio wirelessly. No compromises. And yeah, it delivers, clean, dynamic, and responsive. You'll get about 8 hours of battery life, and the cable's IPX4 rated, so it's dust and sweat resistant. Not quite waterproof, but good enough for active use. Alongside the earphones and Bluetooth cable, you're also getting 2 detachable cables, one with inline controls for iOS, a hard shell carrying case for protection, a cleaning tool to keep them in top shape, and those custom faceplates in multiple colors. It's the kind of accessory bundle that makes these feel like a complete premium package, not just a pair of earphones. So who are these for? If you're a music producer, an audiophile, or just someone who demands serious sound quality on the go, the Westone W60s are absolutely worth the investment. With precision tuning, versatile design, and pro-level features like aptX wireless and a 6-driver layout, these are easily some of the best IMs I've tested in this price range. Alright guys, that wraps it up. If you want to check out the Westone W60 driver earphones, I'll drop a link in the description with any discounts I can find. As always, thanks for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe for more reviews like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.